What's happening? Saturday mornings here at Links. Show up a little bit early, scope out the place, program for the class. Usually have a set template that I just follow, so I'm just literally just inputting, taking in and taking out some exercises and just get these guys gassed for an hour. What is going on? Anyway, quick little run through that we just put them through. It was fun. Good old fashioned time. I'm going to be signing her up for her first fight, September, right? September? Yeah. So it's on video now, so. Yeah, you can't. Look at that, look at, oh, boom, boom, she got it. That's it. That's it.
All right, peeps, look at Rachel right here. She's going to be the next fighting champion.
I know I say that a lot, but she's eager to learn, right? So
we're going to get her like boxing in a few.
Like, watch how fast I get her complete novice. Watch how fast I get her from complete novice to like professional level. All right, stay tuned.
That's going to be a feat if you do that. I'd like to see it.
Yo man, day by day, I wake up with like this awesome feeling, man. It's like, I can't really describe it. It's just like a winning sort of a feeling. Although this journey that I'm on is far from over, like, I just can't express my gratitude enough, man, for the people that's coming into my life, the opportunities that's coming into my life, and the work that I'm able to do, man. Every single day I get to wake up and do what it is that I love to do. That's personal training, creating videos, and enjoying my day, man. Building relationships, building community. Like, there's nothing that I would rather do than what I'm doing right now. And this is the future that I'm constantly working towards and building. You know, you want to build a foundation solid enough where it lasts generations and generations. And it just all starts with the shifting of your mindset, man. Like, before, I always had like this victim mentality, like constantly like the world was against me. But when you change the way you look at things you look at change, right? So I started to change the way that I look at things and took ownership, took responsibility, and the world just started to open up and responded accordingly, man. Like, I want this feeling for everyone, man, and being able to be in my line of work and expressing this is going to give me the opportunity to do so. I'm going to be able to share this with everybody, man. It just all starts with building the community, and it starts with taking care of your physiological needs first, man. Take care of you first. You first. Like Tara said, the program that Tara's working on, her Me First program, that's what it is, man. It's like taking care of you first, because that's when you're going to be able to come from a stronger position to help others. Like, so much we look outwards for gratification, but all of that comes from within. As soon as you make that shift, you're gonna start to see the world starts working for you, not against you.